Hello everybody, this is the pure magnet in front of you, and here I have a short story written by me. Yes friends, I have written a short story, and the title of the story is Miss Beautiful, Mr. Necessity and Mr. Love. So this short story has three characters. First is Miss Beautiful, second Mr. Necessity, and third Mr. Love. So the story goes like this. Mr. Love and Mr. Necessity, two gentlemen, they want to marry Miss Beautiful. So Mr. Love proposes Miss Beautiful and says, I would like to marry you because I love you. And Mr. Necessity also proposes Miss Beautiful, telling, Miss Beautiful, you're so beautiful. Life is beautiful in my life because of you. And I want to marry you. I love you. So Miss Beautiful wonders, whom should I marry? Mr. Love or Mr. Necessity? So she goes and speaks to Mr. Love. And she asks, Mr. Love, why do you want to marry me? Is it because I'm beautiful? Mr. Love says, see, I love you and I am Mr. Love, so I am to share everything in my life with you. Whatever I have, I would like to give that to you. Share everything with you. And that is the purpose. Then she goes and asks Mr. Necessity, why do you want to marry me? So Mr. Necessity says, I love you. I love you a lot. I need you. Please don't say no. I will fulfill all your necessities. I'm Mr. Necessity. I'm here to fulfill all your needs. You don't have to worry about everything. Nothing. You just be a part of my life. I plead you. Reject Mr. Love. Accept me. I promise you, if you want, you can test me. I will fulfill all your needs, your desires, whatever you want. Even my life, I will give my life for you. You just say that you want to marry me and I will do everything for you. Everything. Please marry me, please. So she begins to wonder, what should she do? Should she marry Mr. Necessity or Mr. Love? So she goes and asks Mr. Love, if I marry you, what will be the benefits? Like, what are the advantages that I'm going to have? So Mr. Love says, you're not going to get any advantages. So she asks, are you not going to fulfill my desires, my necessities? So Mr. Love says, see, I am Mr. Love. I'm here to share my love, whatever I have. I'm not here to fulfill all your necessities. That is not my work. That is for Mr. Necessity. If you marry Mr. Necessity, he will fulfill all your desires, your needs, your necessities. But if you marry me, be assured that I'm going to love you unconditionally, share whatever I have, and you will have self-confidence. And not only that, you will be empowered to face all the challenges in life successfully. No matter what goes through your life, you will feel good about yourself. Okay? So being with me, you are going to feel good about yourself. You are going to live a good life, a cheerful life, a righteous life. And that's all I can give. But yes, honestly, I cannot fulfill all your needs and necessities because I'm Mr. Love. I'm not Mr. Necessity. So he was very candid. So she is in a confusion. What should be done about it? Should she marry Mr. Necessity or Mr. Love? So she's in a state of confusion. So she asks her friends, her relatives. See, I've got proposals from Mr. Necessity and from Mr. Love. And almost everybody says, go for Mr. Necessity. You will never find another guy like him. He is going to provide everything for you, everything. He's going to make you happy. Come on. And that Mr. Love, he's stupid. I mean, he's an idiot. I mean, come on. Go for Mr. Necessity, my dear. Be happy. You deserve Mr. Necessity. You do not deserve Mr. Love. And what is the point of love if your necessities are not provided? So love is just a word, forget it. So what she does is she goes and tells Mr. Love, uh, see, I like Mr. Necessity and I think I'm going to be happy with him. So I'm going to marry Mr. Necessity, not you, Mr. Love. So Mr. Love says, congratulations, be happy. And so both Mr. Necessity and Miss Beautiful, they get married. And after some days, Mr. Necessity meets Mr. Love. And he says, you see, I am a winner. I have got the most beautiful woman of my life, Miss Beautiful. And you are a loser, Mr. Love. You are a loser. You see, love doesn't work. What people need is that their necessities must be fulfilled. I am there. My work is to fulfill all the necessities of Miss Beautiful. And I am so glad, so happy to marry her. And look at you. I am the winner. You're a loser. So Mr. Love smiles and says, congratulations, I am very happy for you. But friend, let me tell you something. You have won the championship of necessities, not the championship of love. Nobody can beat me in love because I'm not looking for victory. Neither am I afraid of losing anything. I'm here to love, and I'm here to share my love with people who believe in goodness, who believe in righteousness, who believe in happiness and sharing. So my work is to guide people, to build self-confidence, to be loving-hearted, to be good and be happy. And I'm happy to be who I am. And I am Mr. Love. Thank you.